All right, so let's say you have an object that is either oddly shaped, or in this case we've got something that's a cylinder and we want to measure the volume of it. Okay, you're not going to use a ruler for this. Okay, you're not going to use a ruler because it doesn't have three well-defined sides. It doesn't have a length, a width, and a height. You're only going to use the ruler for objects that are cubical or kind of rectangular in shape. Okay, so for something like this, okay, you have to use what we call water displacement to measure the volume. So you're going to fill up your graduated cylinder it doesn't really matter how much water you put in there as long as it's enough water to cover the object, so our cylinder that we're going to measure the volume of. Okay, so I'm going to pour, doesn't matter, okay, enough to cover. Okay, so that might not quite be enough. Okay, you want to make sure you've got plenty in there. So I'm going to pour this to about 60. Okay, so I'm reading it eye level. Okay, so that's, well, really mine's at about 59 milliliters. Okay, so if I start at 59 milliliters, okay, and I'm going to drop my object in here, okay, and I read it, okay, I see that it has risen to 66. So if I started at 59 and ended at 66, then I take the difference. So 66 minus 59 is 7. Okay, so that means that the volume of your cylinder then is going to be 7, not milliliters because this is a solid object, but it's going to be 7 centimeters cubed. Okay.